In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify in Elementor. Elementor is an incredibly versatile tool that allows you to create stunning website designs with ease. But sometimes, it can be tricky to get the layout just right, especially when you're trying to align content in a visually appealing way. So let's dive into the process of justifying content within Elementor, which can make a significant difference in how organized and professional your web pages appear. To get started, you'll first want to select the container widget. This is the foundational step because the container widget acts as a holder for all the elements you want to organize on your page. It consolidates your content and provides a framework within which you can adjust the alignment and layout settings. Once you've clicked on the container widget, you'll see an array of options on the left-hand side of the Elementor editor. Next, navigate over to the Layout tab. This area gives you control over the structural elements of your design. Within the Layout tab, you'll find various settings that allow you to manipulate how your content is arranged within the container. It's the go-to spot for making essential adjustments that can refine the look and feel of your web page. As you scroll through the Layout tab, keep an eye out for the Justify Content setting. This specific setting is pivotal when it comes to spacing out elements along the main axis of your container. Justifying content involves distributing space between, around, or even evenly among the child elements of the container, and this setting gives you the flexibility to do just that. You have several options at your disposal for justifying content. You can start by choosing Start, which aligns all child elements at the beginning of the container. This is especially useful if you want everything to be left aligned for a clean and consistent look. Alternatively, you could choose Center, which will align items in the middle of the container, a great option for creating balanced layouts. Opting for End will push the child elements to the end of the container. This might be ideal when you want elements right-aligned, creating an asymmetrical yet compelling design. If you're looking to distribute elements more dynamically, you can select Space Between, which evenly distributes elements across the whole container, leaving equal space between each child element but not at either end. Another choice is Space Around, which provides equal spacing around each element, including the edges of the container. Lastly, Space Evenly ensures that the spaces between all elements, as well as the space around them and the container edges, are equal. This creates a uniform and harmonious look, perfect for a highly symmetrical design. There you have it. Now you can easily justify content in Elementor, allowing you to enhance the organization and aesthetics of your web pages effortlessly. With these steps, you can ensure that your designs not only look great, but are also aligned to perfection. Happy designing!